Welcome back to the channel, and today we're exploring again chop that I've recently discovered. But before we get there, I just need to explain. I've been quiet for a bit because I've been transitioning into this space as well as getting back to work, you know, due to COVID. Yeah, we've had to make some changes within the education department, so it's taken a while for me to release videos, or I've been releasing videos haphazardly. From now, things are a little bit more settled, so I'll be able to produce videos a little bit better, or a little bit better of a pace. Starting with this one, so your chops are coming a little bit more frequently, which I'm looking forward to because I love making these. So let's go! Okay, so the paradiddle beat is, obviously we know a paradiddle is a combination of single strokes and double strokes. So you're playing right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, and then you add a simple triplet, one triplet on the snare drum. The second part of the triplet is on the high tom, and the low tom is the last one. So one triplet, and your kick ends up the beat. Okay, so it goes 2, 3, 4. Let's get the click going. This is 90 beats per minute. Okay, let's try it slowly. We're going to do it at 60 beats per minute. And then increase. 3, 4. So the kick is joining me on this one. Then I'm opening the hi-hat to the fill part. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the triplet is on beat 4. 2, 3. Okay, and we move up to 80 beats per minute. And we take it up to 100. I love playing fast, so okay, so now I'm just gonna have fun with it at about 110 beats per minute because I feel like it works nicely in that tempo. So let's go. any other beat, any other pattern. It doesn't just fit to the beat that I gave you. So go wild, go crazy, put it into jazz, put it into pop, put it into rock, electric, put it anywhere. It's a nice little chop that I learned when I was studying, so I hope it helps you.